everyone! I got invited to a baby shower, so I decided to make my gift. A diaper bag, and I'm going to show you how to make it. Now let's go to a Tandy store and find a cowhide we like. Here are the measurements of all the pieces you will need. Using our fuchsia water stain, I covered the backside and edges of the hair-on cowhide. What bag would be complete without fringe? I used a fringe template with a rotary cutter to make cutting the fringe easier. When dyeing the fringe, apply firm pressure so that the dye leaks in between the fringe edges. On all the side panels, measure 2 inches down from the top edge. Apply contact cement on the measured area. Carefully and evenly, fold the edge over to the marked line. This allows the bag to have more rigidity at the opening. I did this to all the tops of the 4 side panels. And now time for the straps. I used an end punch for a much cleaner end. Then I used an edge beveler on each sharp edge of the strap. Using the medium brown gel antique, I covered the entire strap. Once dry, I burnished the edges for a smooth feel. I lined up the straps, then made an indentation where my concho holes would go. Use a hole punch that matches the size of your concho. For a nice shine and protection, I use Super Sheen. Prepare to set your straps by marking and punching the holes directly onto the bag. Then simply screw in the concho. Time to add the fringe to the pockets. Contact cement the fringe to the back of the pocket and fold over to the front. I punched the holes a ½ inch apart. Next, I wove the lace through to keep the fringe in place. Place a little contact cement on the end tab and glue it down. Before punching holes, contact cement the pocket in place. All right, one side pocket down. Repeat this step for the other side. To stiffen the bottom of the bag, I dyed and then glued a piece of 7-ounce veg tan leather. To keep things simple, each hole is punched a ½ inch apart. Now it's time to punch holes for the interior pockets. I'm lacing using the whip stitch technique on all corners of the bag. For more lacing techniques and tips, be sure to check out our other YouTube videos. Now you'll lace all the side panels to the bottom piece first, and then lace the sides to each other. I'm really pleased with how well this bag turned out. 2 interior pockets and 2 exterior pockets. This bag will be able to hold all the diaper bag essentials. I know my friend will love this. For more tutorials like this, be sure to like, share, and subscribe to Tandy Leather's YouTube, Instagram, and Facebook.